What is up, guys? Blake here, filling in for Andrew, and today I have some big news. This is the new power plant for the GT500. El Chapo is going to be chopping with a LS.
Time to get the old LS rig out.
Uh-oh. He's starting to 4x4 this thing. Come on, this thing's got a 3.7 Whipple on it. Come on, this thing's got to pick it up. See, most of the time I'm excited when you see cars like this because they're going to go in a scrapper or like get crushed. No, here we have to revive this damn thing. As you can tell, it's been here for like a week or two. That's it, just about a week.
Bring the old LS SN95 out.
What do you think?
I talked about what the engine was supposed to be. It was supposed to be a secret, then we just got really sidetracked.
Well, we always get sidetracked around here, it looks like.
Say that, we don't have to push cars though.
We just scoot it in. Wow. See, like in a camera angle, it looks pretty decent. You just, you know, put a picture of this, $5 grand, it's done.
Yeah. Dude.
All right, how many mosquitoes are gonna come out of this thing? Okay, we got like 4.
She's looking great, dude.
Man, look at that airbag in that thing. I'm ready. I love things without airbags, you know me.
Oh yeah. So, I never even showed what the engine swap for this thing was, but that is not a Ford engine. Also, that's not.
No, just shove more dirt in it. It'll help. It's an LS. It's one of them things.
Yeah. So, yeah, we gotta yank this thing out.
Yank it out? What you mean? I'm about to weld it up. We're just gonna take this and we're just gonna weld it to that pipe and it'll fit. Good as new. We're gonna make this the cheap LS project.
No, we got motor mounts for it. They are solid though, so it's basically the same thing.
So we're gonna keep it, you know, we gotta keep it nice. I think everybody should be happy with this. You know, they do it all over the internet just with like 8 turbos and stuff.
2 seconds later, the old 5.3 is out, and we're gonna be installing a Coyote in this car. JK.
Got the Chevy boy doing it.
Nah, we're gonna stay with the LS. So I got my friend Mike here. I don't know anything about LSs. Not that it's that complicated, but it's kind of just been what's holding me back on putting this thing together. Hopefully it hasn't rusted over and turned to a piece of crap sitting here, but you know.
Pour some oil in it, it'll live.
All right, so LS swaps have become pretty easy. There are bolt-on 4.6 motor mount adapter plates. That's a 4.6 factory motor mount. That's right.
The right foot.
Yeah, if you
Right
grab
one. Let me get my language right. Sorry.
grab the right side.
Forgot what program we're on today.
Boom, bolt-in motor mounts for your LS.
Should
Looks like you might have to shave it a little bit. You see that?
yeah, now I'm looking at that.
Little rubby dub dub.
What the heck? It ain't tell me this in the instructions.
We got cutting tools. We can.
It'll be alright.
Oops. All right, so I lied, and we actually have solid motor mounts that we also got from UPR way back when. There are parts all over the place. UPR subframe connectors, LS swap headers, TBSS intake, water pumps, yep, the headers, accessory brackets, gaskets, fuel cell, Terminator X, power glide, adapter bushing thing for the converter, shocks. I mean, it's got so much stuff. So yeah, well, I guess we didn't need those. I'll put those back in the stash. So we started the LS engine assembly outside. The LSs are supposed to stay outside and somehow it ended up inside. So we got a list of stuff that we need to pick up, some oil pan bolts, some gaskets, odds and ends, but I think next time we go to work on this, we should be ready to stuff this and the new Power Glide into the car. If you remember, we actually did full suspension on this pretty much already. So it's on coilovers. This car is just straight up, was gonna be a drag car, and now it's gonna be a little bit of a burnout slash drag car slash just no fucks given. Yeah, it's just a crappy car. There's floor's rusty, but yeah, we'll have some fun with it. Thrash it together. Got the resident LS expert over here.
You're one of the best.
Yeah, I had to ask him which each sensor means or does. I just have not really worked on too many of these. I've pulled a few of the GTOs apart. I built his Camaro apart. It's the one that I flipped.
Yeah, you know, it's simple in reality. You know, Coyotes take so many sensors, as this one just takes a basic 350 sensor. Slap it in and go. Don't worry about what the hell you're doing with it.
Yeah, so the headers look good, solid motor mounts, and hopefully we'll have this together and have something to, I don't know, maybe take to the Cletus and Cars burnout contest thing.
I'm coming for you, Cletus.
Yep.
I'm your competitor now.
Yep, this is gonna make all 300 something horsepower, dude.
That's a stock 4-valve.
I didn't even show the engine, but it's got some ARP head studs, cam. I think it's got some valve springs. It's not just it's got 243 heads, so it's not just a stock LS. I mean, it's a stock LS, but it's
Got some performance.
it's got the basic cam only. And we got the TBSS intake. Oh yeah. So, if you want to see more of the LS swap stuff, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're a Ford diehard lover, then you're probably not even watching this. So, yeah. I mean, we could just drop the Coyote from this car. Bloop. But we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that because we got two. We already did it. Got this one Coyote and that one Coyote and this one's Coyote. You try an LS.